Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to download, install and use Telegram in your computer. Before start, subscribe to my channel. With that said, let's start. Head over to your search bar and type Telegram download PC. Click on the first link. Move down and click on Get Telegram for Windows button. A file is now downloading. When downloading is completed, click on Show in Folder. Now, double-click on the download file. Click on Run button. Next, follow the screen procedure to install the software. Click on Start Messaging. You can scan the code or click on Login using your phone number. For this tutorial, I will use my phone number. Enter your phone number and click on Next. A verification code will be sent to your mobile Telegram app. Enter the code in the box and click Next. Enjoy using Telegram. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video.